What am I gonna record on? What lighting am I gonna use? How am I supposed to edit my videos? What music can I play in my videos? If those are the questions that you have, I got you covered. Let's get into this video. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha LeVay, and today we're going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. Now, we already talked about things you should know when starting a YouTube channel. If you have not already seen that video, I will have a link down in the description box, so check it out. Now that we're going to start a YouTube channel, we're going to start right and we're going to come correct. Is the only reason that you're starting a YouTube channel is to make money? If your answer is yes, then 9 times out of 10, you're gonna want to stop doing YouTube once you start doing YouTube. I mean, everybody wants to make money, of course. But once you start YouTube, you're not gonna make money. Once you start doing YouTube, you're not going to be making money. Of course you can make money on YouTube. But if you're starting a YouTube channel because it's your passion and you want to share your passion, this video right here is going to help you start a successful YouTube channel the right way. I'm going to tell you things that most YouTubers are not going to tell you. Some of these things took me months to figure out. I'm just going to make this video about the setup of YouTube. Like what you need to start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm all about balling on a budget, so we're gonna make this about free and cheap things that you can use to start a YouTube channel. I know that they always say you gotta take money to make money, but this platform right here is free. And you know what? You can use free to make money. And I'm gonna show you guys just how to do this. So I'm gonna start off with the setup of YouTube. When I say setup, I mean like the actual setup of YouTube with making it. No, I'm gonna start off with the setup of an account on YouTube. YouTube is made by Google, so you obviously have to have a Google account. You're gonna make you a Google account and then you're gonna sign up for YouTube. Boom, YouTube account. Now you got a YouTube. You wanna make sure that that Google account that you use, that you want to use that Google account, because in the long run, that's gonna be the way that you get paid off your Google account. So now we're gonna move to the setup of a video. I'm gonna give you a free option and a cheap option for almost everything. What I feel you should start off recording on is something that you already have, because when you start off on YouTube, you don't actually know if you're gonna continue to do YouTube. You don't know if you're gonna continue to do YouTube until you actually start doing YouTube. So you don't wanna go buy all of this stuff and then you just realize, I don't even wanna do this no more. This ain't for me. I don't want to do it. I suggest starting out with your phone. Start with your phone. That's the free option. When you're starting out with your phone, make sure when you're recording, you record horizontally. So you want to record like this. Don't record like this, because when it comes to you editing, it's going to have like this black box around your video. You don't want that. You want it to look full screen. That's the first and most important step when recording from your phone. If you already have a camera, use your camera. I just suggest don't go out and buy a camera. Now, if you just don't want to use your phone and you just want to buy a camera and you got it like that, honey, do you. Now, with holding your camera, with a phone, holding your phone, you can go to Five Below. You can go on Amazon. That's what I first did. Hold on, let me show you guys. Now, I got this off Amazon. It was like $12. It got tape on it because my little sister, I let them play with this and they had broke it. So this is why I don't use it anymore. The struggle is real. I had to tape it around my camera to hold it in place. So this is what I started off with. It's only $12 on Amazon. You can go to Five Below and get a foam holder. You can set your phone up on some books on a speaker. Just prop it up. Whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat. Can't nobody see what's behind this screen. And if you have a camera and you just want to purchase a tripod, they have affordable tripods like on Walmart or Amazon. That's just to hold your camera. Now we're gonna move on to lighting. The best lighting is natural light. That is the best light. All you have to do is prop your phone and your phone stand or your camera and your camera stand up in front of a window. Make sure that the window is on the outside or the back side of your camera. Light is reflecting onto you. That is going to be the best lighting that you have. I do have a video on, and you still want to go the free way, I have a video, well, it's not free, but it's cheap. I have a video on making a replica of a Diva ring light. I have that video listed down below. Also, I have it in the card up here, so you can check that out. If you want to just buy a ring light and you don't want to make one, I suggest going to Amazon because they have a ring light on there for like $119, and it's a good ring light. It's $100, but it's a good ring light for $100. Now, don't go out buying softbox lighting and all of that unless you want to and you know you're going to be doing YouTube. Then you can purchase those things, but I don't suggest purchasing those. Now we're going to talk about backdrop. Now, you don't really need a backdrop starting out. When I started off with just my wall. Like, my wall was my background. It's blank, it's white. Okay, so it's just a cool little background. That's all I started out with. That's what I suggest you guys start out with if you want to go the free route. But the cheap route I suggest is like going to a fabric store like Joann's and buying like a long fabric for the Lolo. Now they do have backdrops on like Amazon with the backdrop stand if you want to go that route as well. Now we're gonna move to editing your video. When you're editing your video, you don't have to know how to edit your video. You're on YouTube for a reason. So the same reason you want to get on YouTube and post your stuff and you want people to watch you, other people want you to watch them. So guess what? They got a video on literally everything on YouTube. YouTube it. If you don't know how to edit, how can I edit? The best way to edit on your iPhone is using iMovie. That's the easiest editor. I guarantee you. Get on YouTube, how to edit on iPhone, how to edit on iMovie. It's there. Like, it's plain. Y'all not with me. Y'all not feeling me. Y'all don't want to make no YouTube. Y'all is tripping. But everybody comes and making these excuses. I'm gonna start one, but I gotta make sure I got the right equipment, or I need to buy this. No, you don't. It's free. iMovie is free on your phone, and it's so easy to use. Oh my gosh. YouTube it. If you don't know it, YouTube it. That's all I gotta say. With editing for a camera or anything, if you have a MacBook, iMovie come on that as well. Now, if you need to download it and you have like a desktop, like a Dell or anything that doesn't come with iMovie or anything like that, the video editor that I use is called Cyberlink PowerDirect. It's kind of advanced if you don't know what you're doing starting off, but it's this guy on YouTube, and I guess he worked for Cyberlink PowerDirect. Baby, he got a video on everything: how to trim, how to cut your video, how to add music, how to add transitions. He got everything. I'm telling you, go on YouTube, how to edit in Final Cut Pro, iMovie, Cyberlink, they got it. With Cyberlink PowerDirect, you do have to pay for it. I don't even think they have a free version, but YouTube got the tricks for everything. So guess what? Your girl YouTube, how to download Cyberlink PowerDirect for free. Girl, I got that on my computer for free. So baby, y'all ain't with me. I'm telling you, y'all don't want to make no YouTube. Y'all don't want to make no YouTube. You gotta get with it. I'm giving y'all everything. You just gotta put your mind to it. Now, if I'm sitting here telling y'all what to do and y'all don't take heed to it, y'all crazy. So, moving on, we're gonna talk about thumbnails. You need people to click on your video once you upload your video. How am I gonna do that? You gotta have a good thumbnail. How do I make a thumbnail, Maisha? Pose. Pose in your video. If you're making a beauty tutorial or you're making a hair video, after you finish your hair tutorial, stop and pose in the camera. That's your thumbnail. I base everything I do off of me. I need to see something. I need to know what you did. You want people to click on your videos. Now, with editing your thumbnail, you want to make sure that you edit the thumbnail in a software that will have your picture at 1280 by 720, because that is the video dimensions for YouTube. Remember those numbers, 1280 by 720. If you do YouTube, you're gonna know those numbers by heart. 1280 by 720. The things I use to edit with, to give y'all two, I'm gonna give y'all two. One of them is PicMonkey. You have to have Google Chrome to do PicMonkey. All you have to do is get onto your computer, upload your picture on there, go to PicMonkey.com. It's very easy. Upload your picture on there, and then it has like little things that you can insert on your picture or whatever to make a bomb thumbnail. Now, my all-time favorite is Canva.com. Now, Canva, you can do it on your desktop and you can do it on your phone. It's an app, boo. An app, I'm telling you, and it lets you put the dimensions in there. So guess what? You put 1280 by 720 and you can edit your thumbnail on your phone. How convenient. Y'all ain't feeling me. Y'all ain't feeling me. Y'all gotta comment down below if I'm giving y'all some good tips now. What is you doing, sis? Like, get with it or get left. So yeah, those are the two thumbnail editors that I use, PicMonkey and Canva.com. I also have everything that I'm talking about listed down in the description box. So if I'm moving too fast, y'all always say I talk too fast. I'm trying to talk slower, but I will have everything listed down in the description box. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to make this video so long, but I gotta speed it up. This next tip is a way that you can make your cha-ching. Well, not make money, but the way that you can maintain your money. So you don't want to upload videos with music and you get copywritten. And when you get copywritten, there's only so many copyright strikes that you can get until they demonetize your videos and take your channel down. We don't want that. So how can I upload videos with music and not get my videos demonetized? I got you, sir. I got you. I got you two ways that you can get music for free and not get copywritten. Now, one of them that you can buy additional license to get more music, but you can get it free as well. So the first way is in your YouTube studio. So in your creator studio, they got free music in it you can look through and you can listen to, and you can download it for free and put it in your videos. Now, some of the music you do have to include the creator, their name in your description, but some of it is free. You can just use it at your own expense. Now, the other alternative to YouTube music is this website called epidemicsound.com. Now, this website is where a lot of creators get their music from. Now, you can purchase a license to get additional music, but they got free music too, and it's good music. So I'll have that down below, but it's called epidemicsound.com, and I'll have it down in the description box.
They gonna watch, they gonna see this, but like I can see us like in the future, like this, like face in the future, just know, man, get right here.
If you guys have any video ideas or anything that you want to see me do, go ahead and comment that down below. If you are a new and upcoming YouTuber and you want to gain a subscriber, go ahead and comment down below what your YouTube is about, and hopefully you gain one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.